Hi and welcome back. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first step, push back all of your cuticles. Second step, buff off the shine on all of your nails. So you don't want your nails to be smooth and shiny. We want them to be rough and not shiny. While you're doing this, do it in circular motions like I'm not showing you right now. And then you can use like the edge of the nail file to really get back there where the cuticle is. You already have the file in hand, might as well shape your nails. Alright, now using an alcohol wipe or an acetone wipe, you're just going to clean off all the dust and oil from your nails. You could honestly use a paper towel and alcohol. It's the same thing. You just need a lint-free wipe of some sort. So, not toilet paper or a cotton ball. That would defeat the purpose. And I will be using this later for the other hand. Okay, now going in with the dehydrator. You're just going to put that all over your nails. I got these off of Amazon. Now gonna let that dry off, and we're going in with the nail primer. So with the nail primer, you really want to make sure you get the edges of your nail because that's where the peeling usually starts, and that happens when you don't do this step, when you don't focus on the edge of your nail. So after that completely dries, we're going in with a thin layer of the base coat. So to avoid it globbing onto your cuticle, you want to start 3/4 of your nail, like 3/4 back, in the back of your nail. So leave a fourth before the cuticle clear, and then you'll slowly like push it back into the cuticle. I don't know if you saw me doing that, but that's what I did. So we cure the base coat for 30 seconds, and then we're going in with our builder gel. And I just could not open it. I had to ask my boyfriend to open it for me. Will you open this? The builder gel is super thick and globby. It was literally like coming off of the brush for a good 30 seconds. I had to like cut the video. So the best way to have control, again, is to not start all the way back at the cuticle, but leave a little space before the cuticle, and then slowly like push it downwards towards the cuticle. And then you cure it for 10 seconds once you get it in the shape and position that you like. And then you just keep doing that for all 10 of your fingers. You have to clean your brush off a lot because it's just so thick, and then it's like slowly running down the brush. And then when you finish, you just carry your whole hand for 60 seconds. So this gel polish came with that kit that I was showing you in the last video. The red was really nice, but this one I feel like kind of sucks. Like, it's not completely opaque. You can see all the brush strokes, even with the second layer that you'll see me do in a little bit. I don't know, it just makes it look really messy. I'm sure if I would have done 3 coats that it would have came out a lot better, but I just didn't feel like doing that. See, like even with 2 coats, it's like see-through. You can still see underneath. So after gathering the 4 colors that I wanted to use for my flowers, you just grab like a piece of plastic or a piece of paper, some trash, whatever, and then dot the 4 colors. And then grabbing this tool that has a little ball at the end, you're just going to do 5 little dots wherever you want in this formation. And then that's a flower. Yeah, you couldn't really see the yellow, so I'm like playing with filters, trying to fix it to show it to you guys. I don't know. This wasn't my favorite nail look, but I'm just showing you how to make flowers. It's pretty simple. And then you cure it once you're done. And then you'll go in with a different color. I use that like orangey yellow to put the little inside of the flower, like where the pollen is or whatever. I don't know. They're just simple and cute in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think, what you would have done differently, how I could have fixed this, or if I'm being hard on myself and they're actually really good. I don't know. Let me know. I want to know. Either way, thank you for watching. Have a great day.